Oh my God, have I got news for you. The wait is over. The wait is simply over. You can now download Google Assistant for your Galaxy Watch 4. Yes, it is true. It is possible. It is doable now in the Google Play Store. Believe it or not. And look, some things are simply worth waiting for. And I know, you guys and we all have been waiting for this for a long time. But remember this, Google did not do a great job with the previous version of the Google Assistant. So now we get the best that can be for the Galaxy Watch 4. Go to your app shelf on your Galaxy Watch 4, go to the Google Play Store and simply put in the search field Google Assistant, hit enter. It will come up, press download, and it is all yours. Just in case you wonder, it will be available in 10 different markets, including Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Ireland, Japan, Taiwan, Korea, the UK, and the US. It will also be available in 12 different languages. However, if you do not see Google Assistant in the Play Store yet, even when you search for it, please note that Samsung has released or have published 2 different articles today. Starting today, Galaxy Watch 4 users will also be able to download Google Assistant on their devices, gaining access to fast, more natural voice interactions, quick answers to questions, and on-the-go help. Okay, so here's the deal. One article has been published in the US and the other article has been published in South Korea. One is dated the 23rd of May, which is today. The other is dated 24th of May, which basically is the date in South Korea. So what that means, you may find yourself in a time zone where the Google Assistant has not yet been released.